he's all tilted. But he's in the habit of doing it from it. That would be his liver comes off, and he's got mucus in his ear, so they said it's perfect time for that kind of stuff to happen. We thought it was 1% heavy. I know, that's what I'm like, oh, we asked him that yesterday.
Oh, look at the little things flopping on the trees, man.
Thank you for telling us that.
We would have been scarred for life.
Mommy, can I get up? That's funny. Hey, look.
I know, it looks hilarious. Can you video that?
Wait, what sways?
Look at their thing.
There's like flies all around my head.
There's like a whole walkway here going down. Down to where? Hold on.
His horns are so big. And there's a fly. I'm like, ugh.
She's learning about something. I want real one.
Stacey. I found a boulder.
I even looked into making fake boulders. I bought a book
Are you
on
serious?
how to do it. I would totally do it.
So? I live there, come on! I think he'll come over, Mom. He'll send
Pearson, look back.
Look back, Stacey. It's an attractive angle. What about my ankles? Let's get my purse off.
Yeah, except you'll have a thing growing out of your head, David. Move to the side a little bit.
Oh,
So you have a stick out of your head.
Kirsten, Dave!
I'll move over.
Kirsten, Dave! No, here! Fail!
Ow! Don't lay on me. Ow, Taylor.
Aw, isn't that cute?
Taylor.
Work.
Oh, say it.
Paps. The Paps.
Alright, then.
No, don't. Like one of those drunk ones from Aruba.